Hello guys, welcome to Generation Revel. In this video I'll be showing you how to set up parental controls on Prime Video. So like any other app like Netflix or Roblox, Prime Video also has its own parental control settings, which allows you to set up a pin in order to change what kinds of shows or movies you can watch, or to protect your kids. So if you head over to your settings, you can immediately see parental controls over here. And the first thing that you need to do is whenever you click any of these, it should show you the same thing, since if you haven't done this before on your Prime Video account, which is what you need to do first, is to set up a parental control pin. So as you can see, it's asking us to set up a pin. Now I'm just gonna write down the pin that I need to remember. And just an advice, once you set up a pin on your Prime Video, you can never disable it anymore. You can change it, yes, but you cannot remove the pin permanently or even temporarily. The pin will always be there, but one thing you can do is that you can change the viewing restrictions, whether to set it to kids or to adults, or to apply viewing restrictions to all devices or just one. You have power with the parental controls and the pin, but the pin cannot be removed, and that's ultimate. So here are the settings that you have once you set up your parental controls, and that is how you set up parental controls on Prime Video. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Revel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.